everybody, welcome to So You Can. My name is Anna and we are actually going to be unboxing the Sashiko today. So I don't know if you guys know or not, but Baby Lock is the only one with a Sashiko. And we are actually going to have it on our sales floor. So if you guys want to see it, if you guys want to try it, you can. But what is in the box? So that is the beautiful view right from opening. We have some catalogs. We have your quick reference guide. And your, oh, I like it when they do that. It's a nice hardcover, quick reference guide. Shows you all about the bobbin and what the buttons do and how to thread it. Yeah, because this one, I don't know if you know or not, it does not use a top thread. All the sewing is done with the bobbin winder. I know that is hard to believe, or how that even functions, but it is quite amazing to get it out of the box. The box, it's always so well packaged. Okay. We're not going to do it so you see the back where you see the front. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! There it is. The one and the only Sashiko. It's a team effort. There it is. That is where all the magic happens. This is your bobbin winder. And that's it there. Well, let's plug it in. Ready? And that's her right there. All right. So if you are interested in purchasing the beautiful Sashiko, you can come see us in store at 145 Simcoe Street, Tillsonburg, or visit our website. It's there too. Thanks for watching. Bye.